We all love a soft sponge cake, but have you ever tried a cake that has a beautiful texture in every bite? Today we are making a classic Suji fruit cake without egg and without yogurt. And the best part, we are making this colorful beauty without an oven and without butter. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook With Tanjina. So let's make the recipe. In a blender jar, I am taking half cup of suji and half cup of sugar. Blend this a little. We don't want a fine powder. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now take a mixing bowl and a sieve. Pour the blended suji mixture and sieve it very well. Now I am adding 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve everything together. Now pour half cup of milk. Mix it well with a whisk. Now cover the bowl and rest it for 10 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for that bakery smell. And add 1/4 cup of oil. Using oil instead of butter keeps this cake moist even when it's cold. Mix well until oil is completely absorbed and the batter looks shiny and smooth. Now take a mold, brush some oil inside and add a baking paper. Pour the batter into the mold. Tap it gently. Now to make it look festive, spread some tutti frutti on top. You can also add chopped nuts if you like. Now I have preheated a pan for 5 minutes on medium heat. Place a stand inside and carefully place the mold on top. Cover it with a lid. Keep the flame on low to medium for 35 to 40 minutes. After 35 minutes, check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. Take the cake out and let it cool down completely. Unmold it and look at the beautiful golden color. Slice it up. The texture is perfect. Dip this in your evening tea. I hope you will try this easy recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy baking recipes. Thanks for watching and I will see in the next one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.